Let's talk about my mini IKEA greenhouse. I made this terrarium out of it, and I think it was the summer of 2023 or the end of summer 2023. I don't remember. But so far, so good. It's holding up well. Nothing is rotting out. I mean, this is rotting out just a little bit, but as far as everything else and everything gets wet, it's holding up. I would like to do one of these again, and maybe get rid of this. I don't know, because I feel like I made it too far out. I needed to make it a little less three-dimensional. But some of the plants that I have in here that are doing okay. I have a fuzzy pedestal cutting in here that seems to be doing okay. It's taken a little bit of time to adjust, but for the most part, alive. My peperomia here, I realized that it likes to stay a little damp and definitely likes humidity. And the leaves are firm and strong. I have another mama plant over here that I neglect sometimes. I feel like it needs water like maybe twice a week, but the leaves are kind of flimsy and the tips are browning. And so this environment it likes. I have an Alocasia coprea in here. The tip is mushing, and I'm confused why, because alocasias usually like humidity, and I've put plenty of alocasias in here that have thrived. So maybe it's just adjusting to the environment. I have a purple velvet here. I put a one leaf cutting in here, and it so far has given me two new leaves. I have a black pagoda in here, which is a not really a plant that likes humidity, I think. It's curling a little bit. I haven't gotten any new growth, but I do see its roots growing. And then I have a variegated ivy in here. Yeah, it hasn't really done anything. I put a cutting of it in here not that long ago. Let's see if it has given us some roots. Wait. Oh no, no roots. So I don't know. I don't know if it likes this environment or how to properly propagate ivy. It's still alive. And this cutting, this first one that was in here, has been in here for a long time and it's not unalive. But it is, look, there's roots. It's gripped itself. I want to pull it out, but then I don't want it to go into shock. So yeah, the mini IKEA greenhouse was a hit. I would definitely do this again. I would make a couple of changes. I would make the entire terrarium out of sphagnum moss. That's the only change that I would do. But I really love this terrarium. And when I first created it and I was done, it looked like an actual forest. And that's what made me so obsessed with it. I wanted to live in there. I still do. I mean, who wouldn't? Like, really? Look at that.